Mm-hmm. Wow. What is up, mga repa peeps? We have siopao today. Siopao for breakfast. So I got this, or I bought this from Chess Homemade Goodies, and this is a very special siopao because it has, what's inside is pork belly, and this is my first time to try a pork belly siopao, and we'll see if it's really that good. I'll try the bigger one, then Kay will try the small one. So this is how you're going to eat a siopao. First is you are going to peel off the paper. You don't want to eat the paper, but if you're a paper eater, go ahead. So no more paper. And then you could eat it right away, but for the sake of this video, what I'm gonna do is I am going to open it and dissect it if it's really pork belly inside. Moment of truth! Oh. Oh my goodness. Eh? Yeah. You could really tell it's pork belly because you could see the fat. Okay. This is what's inside. Let me see if there's egg.
Oh, there's egg.
Oh, yeah. So there is egg here. So you can see there is egg. Oh, the other one here. Oh, so it's very evident that you can see egg, and then it's really stuffed inside. You could barely see spaces. So what you're paying for this one is only $12 for the four siopaos. So it's like $3 each only, and it's so stuffed. You could, I think you could see here there's only small spaces here, and it's worth it, or sulit, for the $12. And I am going to try this one. I'm just going to eat it. I'm just going to eat it to really test it if it's really soft or not, because it's pork belly. Wow. So the combination of the taste with egg and then the softness of the pork belly, this must have been sent from heaven. Wow. Oh my god. Then pair it with pop. I would suggest Coca-Cola because this is the best combination. The siopao and then the pop. So if you want to order this Chess Homemade Goodies, it's only $12. I'll give you the link below on the comments. Then you could just contact Chess Homemade Goodies. So the name of the owner is Chess, obviously Chess Homemade Goodies, and she doesn't only have siopaos. She has other pastries as well. I don't want to enumerate it, but just ask her. She has all the prices. She'll give you all the prices, and to be honest, her prices are not rip-off. It's the prices are just right. And then just look at this one. This alone, $12. Then 4 siopaos. Oh shoots, man. This is really worth it.